Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what is the latest iPad made, of course, by Apple. And if you want to check by yourself, then of course you can still do that. All you need to do is go to apple.com and then you can tap for iPads. Once you find it, what you can do is pretty much use compare iPad. This is, I think, the best way to actually check the latest iPad versions. And over here, if you can choose two different models to compare, once you unfold the list, over here you will find current iPad models. So here we can check the most recent, the newest iPads available to purchase. So for instance, right now, as of the day of recording this video, the latest iPad Pro is with the M4, which has 11 inches and 13 inches display, so there are two versions. We also have iPad Air, once again with 11 or 13 inches display, but they use M2 instead. We have iPad, the standard version 10th generation, and the most recent one, iPad mini, is right now the 7th generation with A17 Pro processor, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!